I was asking for the account abstraction. Isn't it also possible to do the signing process inside of the front end itself and create a new wallet in the moment a user wants to use our front end and handle all the account abstraction stuff in the background and not let the user do it? So the user don't even have to think about the Web3 part behind the front end.
Yeah, you're actually proposing something that I see a lot of people using ERC 4337 already, doing like already what you said. So
Okay.
they have a SQL database here
Mm-hmm.
that stores users' private key. So
Understand it.
what they're doing like is mixing the left Web3 and the Web2. So they are storing this kind of thing on their SQL database somewhere in Russia, I don't know, and just store your private key there. Effectively, like you said, it is a blockchain wallet. I'm hosting it on behalf of you. You don't
Mm-hmm.
have to put the private key somewhere. I'm doing it for you. And you're sending USDT, you're buying Bitcoin, no problem. So something like Telegram right now is doing this kind of thing. So I would say it is the Web 2.5 way. It's a very good point. But from my idea, my perspective, so I think our industry really needs a revolution, not like improvements, right? So I would say this is an improvement,
Okay.
right? Then this will be a revolution, right? So we see this industry is full of challenges and innovations, exciting ideas, right? So what we are doing here and what the other people are also doing. So I do believe that we need innovation, not only improvements. So Telegram is attracting like 1 billion users worldwide, and their wallet keeping increasing. They're hosting it,
Mm-hmm.
right? But this is only improvement. We need a revolution to see how this kind of thing that I'm showing here can be the next big thing. So every company in the future, like SAP or Salesforce or Tencent or Google, is going for this kind of way. But of course, there are challenges like what I'm talking about here. So then, but I think challenges is just challenges. So thinking about 30 years ago, you even need to tell people what is the username and password for accessing my account.
Mm-hmm. Right.
It takes time.